This is our beautiful one-owner Catalina 387 that we sold brand new in 2013. It has been kept in excellent condition, has low hours, and features great amenities. Interestingly enough, she was one of the last 387s to be built by Catalina, and because they had already started producing the updated 5 series, this yacht has some features that you won't find on any other 387, such as the watertight collision bulkhead and the removable bowsprit for the asymmetrical Spinnaker. The owners have taken meticulous care of this boat, and it really shows. She's equipped with extra sails, furling, a bow thruster, and factory Panda generator. A walk-through transom makes it easy to enter and exit the cockpit. There are also 2 storage lockers, a hot water shower, and a magma grill conveniently located back here. The cockpit is spacious and features 9-foot seats, which are unique for a yacht this size. It makes trimming sails simple, and there's plenty of room to stretch out or comfortably dine around the folding cockpit table. Deep lazarettes to port and starboard will store all the gear and toys needed at any destination. The helm is well equipped with Raymarine electronics, a bow thruster, and the optional leather-wrapped steering wheel that will fold out of the way. The stern perch seats are another great place to relax. It has cushions as well as back padding for the steel railing. Also back here is an outboard motor bracket. The Deluxe Bimini has a heavy-duty frame built from 1-inch stainless steel. It features sunbrella fabric, a windshield, and includes a mesh roof panel and mesh side curtains to help keep the sun off. Moving around on deck feels safe and secure with the convenient cabin top grab rails and the sturdy and extra tall lifelines. One neat feature here is a stainless steel paddleboard rack on the stanchions. She has a primary and secondary anchor and electric windlass and large anchor lockers. Sailing with a minimal crew is made very simple with the way this boat is rigged, from the in-mast furling and electric winches to the way the lines are led aft to the cockpit. The fully supported mast with double spreaders and a stainless steel boom vang along with the masthead rig is strong and durable, allowing the use of powerful Genoas in light air. She also comes with some extra sails, so check out the listing for rigging details. With her 12.4 beam and 6.9 headroom, the large and well-lit interior feels much larger than most boats her size. The many ports and hatches with the copious amounts of teak and ash make the interior feel incredibly airy. And the 2 air conditioning units always keep the air comfortable in any climate. The main salon is large and makes full use of the wide beam. High-quality bulkheads, cabinetry doors, and shelves are stylish and easily maintained. An L-shaped settee is to port that can be set up with either a small cocktail table or a regular dining table. The sculpted cushions are upholstered in premium ultra leather. A bench settee to starboard can be converted to dual seats with a table in between. And the nav station has a generous chart table. To port is the large and fully equipped Galley. It is well laid out and has a considerable amount of storage. It features a gimbal 3-burner propane stove and oven, a top and front loading fridge and freezer, and a dual stainless steel sink. To aft is the master stateroom and head. The adjacent head features a full separate stall shower, vanity with sink, electric head, and 3 convenient storage lockers. The huge master stateroom also takes advantage of the full beam and features an upgraded centerline queen-sized berth. There are cushioned seats on either side, and there's a ton of storage including 2 hanging lockers, cedar-lined drawers, and a large storage bin. It also has private entrance to the head. The forward guest stateroom is a comfortable and private retreat for your guests and features a double berth. It is well ventilated and has plenty of storage, including a large hanging locker and drawers. She is powered by a 40 horsepower Yanmar diesel with low hours that is very easy to access. This 2013 Catalina 387 is a unique and beautiful boat in excellent condition with a ton of extra features. Her owners have taken painstaking care of her and she is ready to go cruising again. The full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. And for more listings, visit our website.